previous question, we converted sphere into a form of cylinder, sphere in the form of wire. Now we are going to do reverse. We are going to convert the cylinder in the spheres. Let's read the question and see what we need to do. A solid metallic cylinder of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so radius is what? 3.5 centimeter. So let's say only half of it, because we are talking about radius. That is 3.5 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. Okay, so height is 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and recast, melted and recast into a number of solid metallic balls. Okay, so we are melting this cylinder and we are converting into solid metallic balls. Remember, this is sphere. You need to identify that balls are always of the shape sphere. We know that. Each of radius 7 by 12 centimeter. Okay, so radius is given. Here we can write directly. Let's say write R is equal to 7 by 12 centimeter. Simple. Find the number of balls so formed. So we need to find that how many balls can be formed. Very simple question. So we can again deal with the what? Volume only. We are melting, we are recasting, we are changing the shape. Remember, we are not only removing, we are taking the same volume, we are melting it and we are recasting it, changing the shape. So first of all, let's write the information. Let's say this is capital R. To differentiate, there's nothing any relation, small and big, just to differentiate. And here we can take H. Here we have R, and what is the missing quantity here, which is number of balls. How many balls can we form? So let's start. Again, volume of this is equal to N multiplied by volume of sphere. So let's start. Volume of cylinder. So V of cylinder is equal to what? N multiplied by, because there are multiple balls, N multiplied by volume of sphere. Done. So volume of cylinder. Let's write the formula first. Pi capital R square into H is equal to N as it is, multiply volume of sphere, that is 4/3 pi R cube. Okay, here also we can use the same logic, cancel the pi and pi cancel. So what's left? R square H is equal to N multiplied by 4/3 R cube. So now let's substitute the value of this R square, R, H and R here. Then we'll simplify it. So R is what? 3.5. Remember, if it is in decimal, we always take in the form of fraction. So 35/10 it is. Let's start. R square. So I need to write 2 times because it is square. So 35/10 multiplied by 35/10 into what is the value of H? That is 14 is equal to here, and we need to find. So as it is 4/3, pi is not there. Remember, R is what? 7/12 and it is cube. So 7/12 multiplied by 7/12, one more time 7/12. Can we do cancellation? I think yes. Here simple, 1s and 3s. So let's bring all this number on the one side and then we'll do the cancellation. Let's start. So first of all this number will be as it is. Let's keep it. 35 into 35 into 14, and what will be coming from the denominator? That is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12. Okay, that's done. About the denominator, what is already there? 10 multiplied by 10 is already there. Now what will join here? 7 into 7 into 7, there are 3 times. Okay, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to value of N. Remember, now let's do cancellation. 7 1s and 2s, 2 1s, 2 5s, 5 1s, 7s, 7 and 7 cancel. Good. 7 1s and here 7 5s, 5 1s and 2s are, can we use? Okay, we can obviously. 2 1s are and 6s are. Okay, oh, anything is left? No, nothing is left so far. So I think 3 3s are 9 here. Okay, so before we move on, okay, let's no worries, it will work out. 3 3s are 9 and 12 6s are 72 is equal to value of n. So let's multiply. 9 2s are 18, 8 carry over 1. 9 7s are 63 plus 1 64. So 648 is equal to n. Let's write that. N is equal to 648. So that's my answer. I will be getting how many spherical balls? I will be able to get 648, right, balls if I convert this cylinder from cylinder shape to the sphere. Let's recall what was the concept. Here we are converting cylinder in the form of metallic balls and radius is already given. We just need to find how many numbers. So compare their volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to n multiplied by volume of sphere. Then apply the formula, substitute the values, do the simplification and get the answer.